actually moving. Out of there. At least I'm getting some free washers out of this. Right? Alright. And a piece of scrap metal. This should move freely. A little smoother than what it is. It's pretty stiff. So here's the one I just took off. It's moving a little more freely now. And here's the one from the other side. It's kind of strange that it's a different color piece. One looks brass and the other one looks like it's just steel. It's kind of strange. But this one is, this metal box is smushed in and it's coming apart. So it's not good. Bag these up, take them to the hardware store, see if I can find a bolt that'll fit these threads and also fit this opening. Okay, so this striker is damaged. It's smashed in because the door was hitting this rather than this. And it's cracked and it's coming apart right here. This is very thin. So I think what I'm going to do is replace this piece of metal here. Look how thin that was. Barely anything holding this together. I think this metal around here is still thick enough for me to weld to. So I'm going to cut a little piece out of that scrap, stick it right here and weld it. Oh, this gives me a good chance to clean all this gunk. This does not slide very good. It's got a lot of resistance, but now I can actually get in here and clean all this stuff off of here. Now I need to try to bend this piece back out instead of it bending inward. I want it to go straight. Let's see if I can make that happen somehow. I put them outside to go potty.
Well, now they're really bad now.
That's okay. They'll dry off.
Why is that yellow thing dripping?
I'm trying to fix this. Now, got some degreaser sitting in there to clean out that piece that's inside where the hole that the pin and spring right inside there. And then I'll cut a little square off and I'll try to weld it on here as delicately as possible without burning this thing up. And we'll put it back on the door. Won't we?
Yes.
Okay. So here's what I got going on with this. This is the plate that I pulled out of that hole in the door. It cut in the body. This goes back here, and so you can adjust this, right? This is the only original screw out of all four that still exists and still works, so I'm going to use it. So it's got a little washer on there. It drops in, it sits in there nice and flush, kind of, once it crushes down on that. And it goes into here. I had to drill this out, which messed up the thread, so I made it a little bigger, welded a nut on there. And then basically this is going to go through there onto the nut. Okay. So this side's good to go. This side, the original plate, still is good. The thread's good. It's in the truck still. But I need some screws to go in there. So instead of buying new screws, which are actually really cheap online, but I went through a bucket of bolts that I have in my garage here. Oh, where did I? And this fits it. So I'm just gonna make, I have another one. I'm just gonna make my own. I'm gonna try something here, just so I don't have to order screws online. And if it doesn't work, I'll just order them anyway. But I kind of want to try this just because I think it'll be fun. Line that up. There we go. Better. There, so, let's see. Now I need to get the mechanism for the inside of the door and then mount it once I get it fitted right, and then we'll see if that actually works or if I did all this work for nothing. Did I not record any of that? Oh man. The striker that I welded together and fixed is on there. Check this out. Pretty sweet. Very happy. That one's looking shiny and good. I just got to get the door to go on here, and we'll see if this one will close too.
Tumbleweed Garage.